Lexington Fayette County Health Department is reporting 5 new whooping cough cases this week, bringing the total to 43 cases since April 26th. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory illness. Healthcare providers are asking caregivers to be aware of the symptoms. The whooping cough vaccine is part of regular immunizations for school-aged children, and a booster is recommended for kids 11 and older. The health department urges parents to schedule these immunizations ahead of the upcoming school year.